Certifications worth it in 2025? Let's keep it simple. When you go online, you may see a long list of certifications and articles like top 10 QA certifications, but not every certification is right for everyone. So, in this video, I will tell you how to pick the right certification for you so that it can move you closer to your career goals. So, if you are a beginner in QA and you are just starting out, I would recommend you to take beginner certification like the ISTQB Foundation level or the CAST, the Certified Associate of Software Testing. These certifications are not only popular, but they are very credible. They are recognized worldwide, and hiring managers look for these when they look for candidates' resume and looking for beginner QAs. If you are experienced QA with a few years of experience, I would recommend you to take more focused certifications such as the ISTQB Agile Tester, test and other certifications more focused like test automation certification, and there are many focused ones like the security certifications, performance testing certifications. So this gives you more focused value. So you are not only you have some experience and now you can focus on a particular area and grow there. And if you are really experienced in your software in your career, you might want to take advanced courses such as the ISTQB Test Manager and the Certified Software Quality Analyst. So these courses are for you because at this stage in your career, you are no longer writing test cases. You are planning, you are doing test planning, reviewing the test cases, reviewing the test strategies, and managing teams. So, but finally, to summarize, not only a certification is not enough, you need to have real world skill and some hands-on experience. So what do you do if you are a beginner? Go to GitHub and get a sample project of anything you want to do, like anything like coding, for example. Go to a GitHub or find online and take some examples, or watch this channel for learning tools like Playwright, and then do it on yourself. Get the hands-on experience on your local computer, so that way you know the hands-on practice, you have built the skill. So basically, a certification is not only enough, it needs to be worked out in real world. So practice, practice, practice. These days, the concept like Agile, cloud testing, and DevOps, continuous delivery, are becoming very hot, and they are already a standard when people look into your resume for hiring. So you need to focus on these things. But some of the warnings I want to give you is not all certifications are out there or up to date. Some certifications are out of date, and some certifications are expensive too, and some are not recognized everywhere. So make sure you check everything and make sure it really matches your career goals. So ask yourself this question: will this certification make me move closer to my career goals? If it is yes, and then go ahead and do that certification. So to summarize, beginners should take ISTQB Foundation or CAST certifications. There might be other out there, so do your own research, but these are the most recognized and popular, and hiring managers look for it. And if you are a mid-level QA, do certifications on more focused areas like cloud, automation, agile, performance, security, accessibility, those kind of focused testing QA courses. And if you're a senior and you want to move into management, you can take advanced management certification like the ISTQB Test Manager and other. So choose the certification based on your career stage. Don't simply pick from a random list that you search in Google or anywhere, or just because you saw a certification got 5-star doesn't mean you can take that. So, and final tip is, don't stop at certifications. Certifications alone is not enough. You need to have hands-on practice. So you practice, and build that skill. And as always, keep the skills fresh. In these changing QA landscape, where we have AI now, and with DevOps and continuous delivery and other topics such as AI accessibility testing also becoming more serious these days. You need to keep your skills fresh. So stay up to date and be relevant to today's technology and the growing landscape and the topics that are popular today. So, which certification are you planning to take this year? Comment down below and I will reply to each comment. So, happy learning, and I will see you in the next video.